Let's talk about that. What are the characteristics of the culture? Culture is learned, shared, symbolic, integrated, and dynamic. It may be thought of as a complex whole of society. There are five basic culture characteristics. The first is culture is learned. Culture is not thought of as inherited or innate. Culture is learned through experience. The other one is shared. Culture is shared by the member of group. One individual actions are not considered as a culture. If we talk about the symbolic and other characteristics, culture uses symbol, and the members of the culture understand the meaning of their shared symbol. And if we talk about the integrated, culture is composed of integrated connected elements. Dynamic culture adopt and change over time. Culture is dynamic and as opposed to static. Even though cultures can vary greatly, these characteristics are common throughout the most human cultures. An extinct culture from the past would have shared these characteristics with the modern culture. The specific practice of the people involved in those culture would likely be uh, extremely different, but the basic feature of their culture would have elements in a common. It is important to note that sharing and understanding does not necessarily mean that everyone in the society agrees with the culture norm. Some cultural characteristics can controversial, leading to a debate and change. Culture is not meant to imply a static, harmonious social environment.